Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the app library. Swipe left until you reach it. Once there, use the search bar or tap a category tile to find the exact app you want. You should long press the app icon. This reveals quick actions. Tap Add to Home Screen or drag the icon upward toward the left edge to start placing it. Make sure you're firm with the drag so the system registers movement. This first action moves the app from library only to a home position. Once the app is loose, drag it onto any visible home page. Hold near the screen edge to switch pages. You can drop it onto another icon to create a folder, a quick way to group similar apps. If you want to move multiple apps, long press empty space to enter jiggle mode, then tap icons to multi-select and drag them together. Make sure to release in a deliberate spot so icons snap into a grid. This keeps your layout tidy and predictable. To finish, press Done or the Home button to exit jiggle mode and lock your layout. If you decide an app should stay library only, long press it on Home and choose Remove from Home. It stays installed but hides from pages. If an app doesn't appear or won't move, restart the device. Check that screen time or restrictions aren't blocking changes, and confirm you're running the latest iOS. Once resolved, repeat the move and the app should behave normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.